So I'm excited to introduce to you a collaboration between Ultimate Robotics and Open Muscle called uLabel. Now this was actually sponsored by PCBWay. They liked what I was doing with the LASK 4 system that I had used with Open Muscle OM12, a 12 pressure sensor bracelet to predict finger movements from the bracelet alone. What is very neat is it was accurately able to predict individual and multiple finger movements at a time from only a 5 to 20 minute training session. Quite exciting results. I applied the same technology to the uMyo bracelet that Ultimate Robotics put together with 4 EMG sensors. I was also able to predict finger movements, and so we talked to one another and we decided to work jointly on uLabel. Now uLabel is an open source somatosensory device. It's a label device for machine learning finger movements. The Open Muscle pressure system works quite well in certain applications. EMG sensors also work, and there's a lot of exciting stuff we're going to work on in the future, but first things first, in order for others to actually test this technology, you'll need a label system and then a feature data or a sensor system for the forearm muscles. You pair these together and you get something that can accurately predict finger movements. It's really exciting once you see for the first time. We're able to do real-time predictions, roughly 15 predictions per second. With this system, using the 2.4 gigahertz from the NRF52 chip, we are able to have more samples per second. That might actually increase the latency because of the processing requirements, but in the past, a model trained is usually around 150 megabytes using a random forest regressor in scikit-learn. So this is the open source product from Ultimate Robotics and Open Muscle, uLabel. We also like this device because it can be used for rehabilitation of the hand, can be used as a human interface device to control robots, to control computers, but all this code needs to be developed. That's why the open source aspect of this and open source hardware is the community can actually take it and make their own. Now, it's our belief that making things open source is very awesome, especially the advent of artificial intelligence or machine learning and deep learning. These things have a giant potential to help humanity, and that is why we wanted to release this open source and open hardware for you guys. So please let us know what you think in the comments. Please join us on our journey to creating a prosthetic sensor suite that uses machine learning to predict finger movements. Now, this is intended specifically for someone that is missing a hand that has an intact forearm and the nerves are still attached. This is a very small use case, but nonetheless, we are working to produce these so that way you can buy them from us as a show of support in the future. But as we develop this, we need more developers, more people like you that are interested and enthusiastic about helping other people. And if that's you, please contact us and we'll get back to you. So I just wanted to tell you about uLabel, the joint effort between Ultimate Robotics and Open Muscle.
Special shout out to PCBWay for sponsoring this. If you have need for custom PCB designs, advanced, or even the flexible PCBs and assembly, check out PCBWay's website. You will not be disappointed. Also, I wanted to say how exciting it is to design a board and to get it into your hands so quickly. It's just exhilarating. So thank you so much.
If you like my content, please smash that like and the bell icon. I really appreciate your feedback. This helps me to make better videos. If there's something that you want to learn more about or you have a question, please reach out to me. I do end up reading almost all the comments. So thank you for that and have a wonderful day. Let's see if we can make a positive difference in this world.